All right, everybody. So let's start by skimming and scanning this question. Now, if you skim and scan this question, you can see that this question is about wagonways. Wagonways has been repeated almost everywhere. So we will go through this. One very interesting fact about this is actually a reorder also in the real test. So some of you who've done this question might be able to pick it up and remember what this question is about. So let's have a look. Now, first thing first, let's continue reading through this. So it says that roads of rail called wagonways were being used in Germany as dash as 1550. One interesting thing, if you see a blank between two as, the answer of this blank very likely should be an adjective. Very, very likely. Okay. In this case, let's have a look. Were being used in Germany as dash as. So we can say as initial as. No, we don't use the word initial as when it comes to dates. Late, not really. You're talking about quite ahead of time. It's in the past. So I cannot say increasing. That doesn't make any sense. With this, I'll go with this. As early as the 1550. These dash railroads consisted of wooden rails over which horse-drawn wagons or carts moved with greater ease than over dirt roads. Okay, these dash railroads. Okay, some kind of railroads. I think probably they are describing it, so that would be the way to go with it. These cannot be modern because it's in the past. Modern and recent are literally the same thing, so let's eliminate it. Not even new. I'll go with primitive. Primitive makes the best amount of sense. These primitive railroads consisted of wooden rails over which horse-drawn wagons or carts moved with greater ease than over dirt roads. Wagonways were the beginning of modern railroads. Dash 1776, iron had replaced the wood and the rails and the wheels on the carts. Towards 1776, perhaps, maybe, I'm not sure. Let's have a look. Since 1776, we cannot use the word since. Since is like a very specific time, like something has changed since then. So they're describing a certain period. I would not go with to or on. I'd go with the word by. Like by this year, they started changing it. So by 1776, iron had replaced the wood in the rails and the wheels on the carts. Wagonways evolved into tramways and spread throughout Europe. Horses still provided all the pulling power. In 1789, Englishman William Jessup designed the first wagons with flanged wheels. The dash was a group that allowed the wheels to better grip the rail. This was an important design that carried over to the later locomotives. Okay, the dash was a groove. What was a groove? The facts, no. The facts doesn't make any sense because it's the next word is was, so this is gone. Wheelers is also in the plural form, so that is also gone. So it's either the flange or the wheel. Now, if I was you, I would just simply look at the previous sentence. Now, look at this interesting fact over here. This word over here, it says flanged wheels. So I might think that the correct answer should be the flange. Let's have a look. Probably this should be the right answer. Let's click confirm. As you can have a look, all of it is right. Reading a collocation in detail, reading all the sentences in the collocation is important. Most of the times in collocations, the hints are always given. So good luck, everyone.